As Friedrich Nietzsche once said, the earth has a skin, and that skin has diseases. One of them is called man. After the Second World War, humans started using plastic as a single-use material, which for a short period of time revolutionized many factors of our lives. However, the consumption of plastic ended up harming our planet and health way more than simply satisfying our everyday needs. Currently, over 8 million pieces of plastic end up in our oceans every day. Over the last decade, we have produced more plastic waste than in all previous decades combined. Over half are single-use plastics such as bottles. In fact, 1 million plastic bottles are bought every minute around the world, and now, in 2021, this number is expected to increase another 20%. Since we already mentioned plastic bottles, let's talk about them in more detail. Plastic bottles take around 500 years to decompose, and when they do decompose, they leave behind small pieces of plastic called microplastics. Microplastics are never able to completely dissolve and end up in our nature, oceans, and even in the animals we humans consume, which leads to not only harming the environment, but also our health. For example, a recent study uploaded by The Guardian shows that scientists found microplastics in the placenta of an unborn baby. So we can have more of this, or we can just switch to bio bottles.
Bio bottles is an alternative one-use water bottle made out of a biodegradable polyester PLA. We created our prototype at the 3D printing lab in our school. However, when our product goes into mass production, it is going to be produced with the method of blow molding, which will reduce the material use and the price itself.
PLA, polylactic acid, is an environmentally friendly polyester that is biodegradable and used in creating bio bottles. It is made out of cornstarch and sugarcane. And why should you buy our bottles? As you can see from the table, bio bottles, in comparison with plastic bottles, break down faster under proper conditions. They do not contain harmful microplastics, they don't emit greenhouse gases when incinerated, causing global warming, and they do not contaminate our food since bio bottles contain polylactic acid and lactic acid naturally exists in our bodies. BioBowl is a durable, eco-friendly product that can be reused, unlike plastic bottles. Bio bottles appeal to environmentally friendly bottling companies that address to environmentally friendly and health-conscious customers.
Bio bottles is a B2B business that requires an initial investment of 550,000 euros for production plant, machinery, offices, and raw materials. In year one, we project net sales of 628,000 euros, doubling our net sales in year three, when we also estimate that we will be selling 2 million bio bottles of 500 milliliters. We will be starting slow with an EBIT of 16.3%, growing to 36.6% in year three. The average EBIT for the 3-year plan is estimated to 30% of the net sales cycle. The investor will be acquiring 49% of Bio Bottles company and will get back his initial investment of 550,000 euros plus profit on year 4. Bio Bottles team will not receive any dividend before the investor will get back his initial investment of 550,000 euros, and we will also be favoring an investor that can bring added value to our operations.
Until now, we have communicated with Greek bottling companies. We have conducted a survey in which 77% believe that it is necessary to replace plastic bottles with biodegradable ones, and 65% are very likely to buy their water in our bottle. Also, we have created social media accounts so as to interact with our future customers. We have participated in Diamond Challenge 2020 and won first prize in Junior Squeezy competition last year. In the near future, we aim to replace any single-use plastic products such as straws, cups, and bags with PLA ones.
I am Mitha Kotsiopoulou.
I'm Maria Sotirhu.
I am Katerina Mamali.
Today, right here, right now, is the time to put an end to plastic waste. Thank you. For further details, you can contact us via email or follow us on Instagram.